Today we are going to make an easy and healthy breakfast with ragi. Boil 1 1/4 cups of water in a pan over medium flame and add 2 teaspoons of oil and a little salt. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame and add 1 cup of ragi powder and mix well. Now turn off the flame. Cover it with the lid and allow it to cool down. Dip your hand in water and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and soft. Apply a little oil on your palm and take a small portion of the dough and shape it into a ball. Flatten it slightly and make a small impression in the center. Do the same process for the remaining dough. Boil some water in an idli cooker. Place the steamer plate and grease it with a little oil. Now place the flattened balls carefully on the steamer plate and cover it with the lid. Cook it for about 5 minutes over medium flame. Now turn off the flame and take it out. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 3 red chillies. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 sprig of curry leaves and 10 finely chopped small onions. When the onions turn light brown, add half a cup of grated coconut and a little salt. Saute this for 1 minute and reduce the flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Saute this till the raw smell of the chilli powder goes off. Now add the steamed flattened ragi balls. Stir well and cook for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Stir well and turn off the flame. Now it is ready to serve. You can prepare this for breakfast or dinner. Please try it out and post your feedback.